this has just been forming really rapidly now. We have lightning down towards Tewkesbury, and we have lightning down towards Newport. This is crazy. This has just suddenly formed. Everything's just come together. So I'm gonna go and check on Google Maps now. Look at that. Look at that. This one's severe. Put up there, look at that. I got 40% risk. This means a big thunderstorm. Not exactly. Right, well that spot did not end up being too good because it wasn't facing properly north. It really sucks, and like the lightning's definitely coming down, and like you could probably see it from there. You could get probably a really nice time lapse. Maybe we need to get some video. Look at that! That is incredible. We've got some absolutely beautiful Northwest clouds up here. A massive anvil. Get a time lapse on. Is that down there? Well, here's actually quite good, Andy. Well, there you go. It's going to be the end of our storm chase. So there you go. That's your storm. This could be kind of like a new system that's forming. And you can see down there. Really nice cumulus clouds. Camera here. Start shooting time lapse, and then we got just this down here, which is basically finished producing lightning. Nice cumulus clouds carrying down there. We do actually have another lightning strike coming from the original system, but that's kind of dissipating. That's storm. What was the storm? It's now all dissipated. It's one odd lightning strike. I didn't see it, it was just showing on radar. Some beautiful, beautiful cumulus clouds up here. Very nice ones down there as well. This actually is not the system, this is just clouds in front of the system. That's the anvil. Got a rainbow down there. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. Look at this, look at that, that's amazing. That's kind of continued forming. Be nice, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. I cannot believe it, but this right here just threw down a bolt. So we've actually got a thunderstorm just behind it, that down there in Oxford, which I feel like should be producing lightning. I mean, look how heavy that is kind of coming down there. It's amazing. Got the camera time-lapsing, as you know. Got some nice cumulus clouds across here. Some very nice, very, very nice cumulus clouds. And then we've got some very nice structure over here.
Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking, subscribing and commenting on this video. It really helps the channel out. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.